Hello everyone, this is me Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as the owner of a Google Party company. And in case if you need help with Google Ads audit, setup, management, suspension, ads, disapprovals, Google Merchant Center management, suspension, misrep, or any other issues, me and my team can help you. So all you have to do is to hire us through the link in the description, and I look forward to working with you. So now let's move on to an amazing case study of how we fix a compromised site system and circumventing system error in a website, or you can say that Google Ads disapproval, where a site was being assigned with these two errors and how we fix it. So I'm going to show you step by step on this as well, so you have an idea. I just prepared a file so I can show you over here as well. So this no, this was not actually the thing. You can see that this was the original issue being provided was that the ad is being disapproved, circumventing system plus compromised site is over there, and I can show you along as well that the site has circumventing system and compromised site. So two policy violations was being done in ad disapproval. So whenever there is an issue over there, whenever there are two policy violations like compromised site or circumventing system, we can assume few things. When your site has compromised site, you can assume that your website has malware, coding issue, hacked plugin, or you have used any theme null theme or plugin. Someone has actually hacked your website. Google, by misinformation or mistakenly assumed as compromised site. Compromised site is a situation where the website is not fine. The security of the website is compromised, and Google feels that this website is not fine to be shown to the audience, to the visitors. So this is one of the reasons. Again, there can be so many reasons. We have a checklist of 100 plus points even from malware scanner, which can detect any over here any issue. Sometimes it's a place it's a placeholder error as well. Okay. So there can be so many issues for which is why your website ad is being disapproved or compromised site. And if your ad is being disapproved, circumventing system, what does it mean? If your ad is being disapproved or circumventing system, Google feels that there is a clocker, or you are showing different website to audience and different to Google team. Payment has a is not transparent website, have issues with security, the checkout procedure is not safe for audience. Google feels that audience payment method is not secure and it is at risk. Low quality website, security of website is compromised, or mistakenly. Again, these are some of the popular errors for these, but again they can be varied into so many things and so many issues over there, which is one of the reason why your ads are being disapproved. We have also had clients with Google Ads unreliable claim, malicious software error, misrepresentation in ads also being we have seen. There are so many issues where your ad is being distributed at Google. So also mistakenly means that Google has mistakenly considered your website, but it does not actually in reality qualifies for this. So what happens is in scenarios like these, where you see these errors, is like the first thing what we did was we actually discussed with the Google regarding this, and we have a dedicated support. And what they did was they assigned few things to discuss with us. First, also there is one thing which I forgot to tell in both of these, and these are the Google Search Console errors can also be the part of this one as well. The errors at Google Search Console error can also be the part. Okay, also that is not in the compromise, but both in circumventing, both in compromise, this is a common error. But the speed issue is mostly is with compromise. So whenever there is an issue, we have to do a thorough research. So many steps we have to get through to get it done to get the approval of the ads. So you can see that this website had some issues with the placeholder. We also discussed a very worst support. Speed 33, performance very slow, and this was one of the reason. This could be one of the reason. And website has 21 suspicious file which we discovered through our different tools which we are using. And then the website has some claim errors. There were some claims errors which Google do not like, which we wanted to get them restored. Also there were so many 404 pages, dead link error and search console errors which you had to rectify, which we have to get it sorted, to get it done. And then when we simultaneously discuss with the Google, that at the first chance what happened was, that everything was being disapproved. And then we discussed with our manager like what happened. So they told us that the cache needs to be updated, so you need to wait a little bit. So once we waited, once we had got it done, what we did was, we finally got an email from the Google. I will also show you the review of my client as well, so you can see over here that the review to one of my staff as well. Hi Mohammed, I can confirm that the domain is enabled from our end and has been cleared of malware tagging violations. Once the system synchronizes, the ad will be fully re-enabled to serve ads, which typically takes a few hours but can take up to approximately 2 days. To expedite the process, I suggest re-uploading the ads for quicker processing. Okay, there is another thing, what happens is that, whenever there is a case of Google Ads disapproval, what we do is we also simultaneously do testing on our own ads account, so that, because if there are further ad approvals on an ad account, the account can go into suspension, and then it will be very harder, first of all, to get it restored with the suspension and the ads going to approve again. So it takes a lot of time and the procedure can go very big. So which is why, what we do is we also thoroughly test on our account, and when we also perceive so that the ad is being eligible and has no issue, so that was a fine moment for our client and for ourselves as well. And if you are going to see the review, you maybe see that the client has genuinely given us a very good review on Upwork. It was, I'm really glad working with Ali, me and my team. Obviously, it's not only my credit but also my team as well. If your Google ads are not being approved, don't look further. My ad has been disapproved with circumventing system, malicious software, compromised site. No one could fix it. Ali fixed it in 3 days. Okay, for those who are asking that the app, how come the malicious software came in, it actually came on later on. And the account was originally, ads were being distributed for circumventing system and compromised, but later on when we were trying to restore, the account was also mistakenly being gone into malicious software as well, and we were able to get restored all of these 3 errors as well. So guys, in case if you need a professional help with Google Ads disapproval, be it compromised site, be it circumventing system, be it malicious software, be it misrepresentation, be it any other error, be it unreliable claim or any other, me and my team can help you. If your Google Ads account is suspended, we can also help you. If your Google Merchant Center account is suspended, we can help you. If you need Google Ads audit, setup, management, we can help you. If you need good landing page development, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. So I hope you like our case studies. I look forward to working with you guys. Do hire us through the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye-bye.